Hi everyone, I'm Jess from the Global Landscapes Forum team, and I'm here to give you a tour of our virtual event platform, InWink. When you first log into the platform, you'll land on the homepage. At the top, you'll see a navigation menu, which you can use to access different areas of the event platform. Let's start with your personal account. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll find a green button. By clicking it, you'll access a drop-down menu where you can find links to customize your personal InWink experience. Go to My Info to add information about yourself and a profile picture if you'd like. You can even customize your settings for networking and notifications. On the drop-down menu, you can also view your agenda. Check out the organizations that you're interested in. Manage your contacts, reach out to other attendees, and check your messages. You can also schedule virtual meetings with other attendees by clicking on the calendar icon and following the instructions. Next, let's explore the navigation menu at the top of the screen. By clicking home, you'll be redirected to the homepage, where you'll find the live stream of the conference, which will be updated in real time to show you which program or activity is currently happening. Click the play button on the video preview to join the session live. You can also follow the session in other available languages by clicking on the link in the description that will be available later. When you join a session, you can ask questions to the speakers and upvote others' questions too. You can even chat with other participants during the live streams. In the navigation menu, you can explore the event space through a variety of links. On the agenda page, you'll find the full conference schedule. You can bookmark a session and add it to your agenda and receive an email notification when it's about to start. On the speakers page, you can get to know more about who is speaking at the event and learn more about the organizations who have helped make this event happen through the organizations page. Check out their virtual booths in the exhibitors page. To join our virtual networking sessions, visit the networking area. In the newsroom area, you can find our media corner and social media sections to follow live updates about the conference. Important updates and reminders from our team will arrive in the notification section of the navigation menu. Lastly, you can find more information about the event and the platform in the help desk area. If you still have any questions about the event or the InWink platform, you can contact us directly by clicking Ask Organizers. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to seeing you at GLF Climate 2022 from the 11th to the 12th of November.